the pain, and it's too hard to relive it over and over again.
Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Too Hard Not To, and that is by Tina Campbell, and we are in the key of E flat, awesome key. And guys, you know what? This song was requested by Andrew. Thank you so much, Andrew, for this awesome song. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, let's get it. We're in the key of E flat. That's E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, and E flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, we're going to do like we always do. Let's go ahead and wiggle our hands. Let's stretch them out. Let's crack them. And let's get the nerves out, right? All right, let's receive this awesome song, Too Hard Not To by Tina Campbell.
Maybe you feel entitled, 'cause this should have never, ever happened to you. And maybe you've tried to let it go, but letting go just ain't never easy to do. And maybe you feel you'll end up with another broken heart, trying to face something that seems way too hard. But it's too hard to hold on to all of the pain, and it's too hard to relive it over and over again. It's too hard when the memories have control over you. Some say it's too hard to forgive. I say it's too hard not to. It's too hard not to. It's too hard. Something so senseless and something so selfish trying to come and tear your world apart. But someone so loving and someone so selfless will help you when you're ready to restart. It's too hard to hold on to all of the pain, and it's too hard to relive it over and over again. It's too hard when the memories have control over you. Some say it's too hard to forgive. I say it's too hard not to. It's too hard not to. I say it's too hard not to. It's too hard not to. It's too hard not to forgive.
This song is brought to you by FlowQ. Create a task, set a timer, and get it done. FlowQ. Available on the App Store.
To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it, right? So we're starting out with this. Maybe you feel entitled, 'cause this should have never, ever happened to you. Beautiful. Let me give you that. So we're starting out on the 1. We're playing an E flat major on the 1, and then we're going down to our 7. We're playing a B flat major. And then we're going to our 6. We're playing this beautiful E flat 6 chord. Grab it. Then they're doing this nice, beautiful chord here. And we're playing this E flat dominant 7 chord. Beautiful, beautiful chord there. And then we're going to our 5 flat. On the 5 flat, we're playing this chord. Grab it. Then we're going down to our 4, and we're playing this A flat minor 6 chord. Beautiful chord there. Now guys, in this song they're doing a lot of repeats, right? So the same way I just played that whole thing, they're going right back to the same chord progression. Right? Same exact chord progression. Here's where it changes up at. And maybe you feel you end up with another broken heart. Right, let me give you that. It's just 2 chords, guys. We're on the 6 and we're playing this beautiful B flat major chord. Then we're going right here to our 2 and we're playing this A flat 7 chord. Guess what? They repeated. I told you. That's a B flat major chord on the 6 and we're going right back to the 2 with that A flat 7 chord. Trying to face something that seems way too hard. Guys, the same chord. We just changed one chord up on the very last time, right? So we're on that 6 and we're playing that B flat major chord. Going right back to that A flat 7 chord on the 2. Going to our 4 and we're playing this beautiful chord here. Grab it. But it's too hard to hold on to all of the pain. All right, let me give you that. We're on our 7. We're playing a B flat major chord. Going up to our 1. That's an E flat major chord on the 1. Then we're going to our 2. We're playing this A flat major chord. Going up here to our E flat sus2 chord on the 3. Then we're going to our 4. We're playing that E flat 6 chord. Guys, guess what? We repeat that all over again, right? See? Okay, so here's where it changes. It's too hard when memories have control over you. All right, what are we doing? We're just on the 7. We're playing a B flat major chord. Going down to our 6, we're playing an A flat major chord. We're on our 5 and we're playing that B flat major chord. Going right back to the A flat major on the 4. Some say it's too hard to forgive. All right, let me give you that. So we're on our 4. We're playing our E flat 6 chord. Going down to our E flat sus2 chord and we're on our 3. Then we're going to our 2 and we're playing this F dominant 7 chord. And then we're going to our 5. We're playing this A flat 7 chord. Beautiful chord there. I say it's too hard not to. I love that. It's too hard not to. All right, let me give you that. So we're going 5. We're playing this beautiful D flat 7 chord. Grab this chord, guys. It's so beautiful. I want you to grab it. Oh, it's so beautiful. Get it. We're on our 5 flat. We're kind of repeating. We're going to our 4. That's the E flat 6 chord. We're going to our 3 and we're playing this E flat 2 chord. Going right back to our 2 and we're playing our F dominant 7 chord. Then we're going to our 5 and we're playing this A flat 7 chord. Grab it. And then we're going right back to our 1. All right, so that's the first part. Now, on the second time through, they instead of going to the 1, they're going to the 7 flat. And this is what I want to give you, okay? Here we go. Something so senseless and something so selfish. Let me give you that. All right, guys, we're right here on our 7 flat. We're playing this beautiful chord here. Grab it. And then we're going to our B flat major chord on the 6. They go right back to it. Right? Remember what they always repeat, right? And then they go to this one. Someone so loving and someone so selfless. All right, what is that? We're just going right here to our 6 flat. And we're playing our G major chord. And then we're going beautiful chord here. We're just resolving to the E flat major chord. We're playing this G, B flat, and this F. And then we're going to our E flat major chord. All of that over the 5. Then they drop down. We're playing our F dominant 7 on the 5 flat. And then they go right here to the A flat minor 6. Guys, I hope this song was a beautiful, beautiful blessing for you. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is, the kiss I had to earn. When I was younger, dating seemed pretty simple in my mind. If I took a woman out, showed her a great time, made her laugh, and everything went well, there was one thing I expected at the end of the night: a kiss. So I met this one young lady and took her out. The date was amazing. We talked, we laughed, and genuinely enjoyed each other's company. As the night came to an end, I walked her to her car, gave her a hug, leaned in for the kiss, and she backed away. I stood there looking confused, perplexed. My confidence took a small detour. Then I remembered something. Earlier, I had told her I wasn't looking for a relationship. I just wanted a friend. She simply made sure I stayed true to what I said. But I enjoyed being around her, so I took her out again. Same result, no kiss. Again and again, we spent time together, and again, she kept that boundary firmly in place. The truth was, I was attracted to her, but I had just come out of a terrible situation and wasn't ready to admit what I really wanted. Finally, one day I told her, "Listen, I'm not dating anyone else." It wasn't some grand romantic speech. It was simply me being honest. For the first time, my words and my actions matched. At the end of another date, I went in for the kiss. This time, she didn't back away. I got the kiss. Not long after that, got something even better. She became my wife. Life lesson. Sometimes the things worth having don't arrive when we want them. They arrive when our intentions, actions, and commitment finally line up. What I thought I wanted was a kiss. What I really needed was to be honest about my heart. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. And Andrew Banks, I didn't forget about you. Thank you so much for that awesome song. Please request more. Guys, you know what? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Guys, I believe it takes 3 seconds. Some tell me it takes a year to hit it, but I believe it takes 3 seconds. I want you to believe it. Come on, let's do it in 3, 2, 1. Bam, I see you just hit it. Bam, you just hit that bell. Guys, I really appreciate you. You just made my day, my month, my year. And you know what? You're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK. We're signing off.